What is going on, my Atomic Autoworks friends? So guess what? I'm going to tell you guys about a really cool company up here in the Northeast, and that's kind of what our entire company is about. So before I tell you about them, let me tell you this. I sound like one of the presidential candidates. You asked me a question. I'm like, before I tell you about that, let me tell you something else. Our number one goal is to get people involved in cars, trucks, and motorcycles. We love what we do. We want you guys to see it. We want people to be passionate about working on their vehicles, customizing their vehicles. And if you can't do it, find out some cool places that can do it for you. So in our journeys networking with companies, we come across some really great companies, really great people, brands. And one of them I actually spoke with yesterday. You guys should check him out. It's Jason X Solutions on TikTok. If you're an auto body guy, whether you're an employee or a shop owner or a manager or just anybody involved in the trade, he's definitely worth watching, listening to. He has some funny stuff, some really cool stuff. He has actually really deep insights into the auto body world, which is really cool. So make sure to check him out. Let him know that, we sent you over here at Atomic Autoworks. Oh, who's this coming in? Who's that? Oh, there's Lewis sneaking up. So I didn't tell you about Jason X, right? Here's Lewis. So yesterday I was talking to Jason X Solutions on TikTok. You should check him out. He's hopefully going to be coming on our podcast and bringing people on our podcast. He actually has a TikTok channel devoted to the auto body world. Tools, equipment, people, bringing people together, getting people involved and going to work for him. But it's really cool, so check him out. Lewis is actually not working on cars today. He's moving stuff around to help us out because we are changing. Big, strong man. And he's going to go, beep.
That's not fair.
Okay. So anyway, please make sure to check Jason out. And now, today, we're going to go and talk about a local company. Where is it? Uh-oh, I'm on the wrong side of the box. Let me go around without tripping. Here we go. Cowles Products. Well, actually, their box is their Protecto, which is their wholesale brand. But we're going to talk to you guys about Cowles Products, some of the cool stuff that we have. Look, we have phones on top of boxes. Lewis will pretend he never opened this already, even though we already did.
I never opened this.
He did it for one of their TikTok videos. But look at all this cool stuff. So we're going to go over, we're going to show you some of this cool products. And they are right here in North Haven, Connecticut. A lot of people didn't even realize that. Every time you go to Pep Boys, AutoZone, where else? Walmart, Advance.
In Connecticut, yeah. To be honest.
But every parts store you go to in the whole world, you see their stuff, and it's made right here in Connecticut, which is exciting.
Homegrown, baby.
Yep, USA. So one thing I wanted to say too is, obviously, if you received an email from us, it's genuine. We really are inviting every company, whether you're big, small, or if you're a car collector, anybody who's in our community in New England, the tri-state areas, who loves cars, trucks, or motorcycles, we want you involved. We want you to come on. So if you got it, don't think it's some spammy thing. Also, if you didn't get it, check your spam folder. If you didn't receive one, just shoot us an email because everybody's invited. It's hard to email a million people, and a lot of people don't have emails. They still go by phone, so it's hard to get the time to call you guys, even though we want to. But those of you who know me know I talk too much. So there, you don't want me on the phone with you guys because you're trying to get stuff done just like we are. Also, a lot of the emails that we sent were rejected or bounced back. A lot of people are harder to get to, and they want you to send their messages, and their messages actually don't go directly to them. They go to a company that handles their stuff. So there's a lot to it. So if you don't see an email from us or we didn't talk to you, you're invited. Just give us a holler. We'd love to get you on here and talk about cars, trucks, and motorcycles and all things around that. Oh, two things, right? Well, I'm getting set up. I'm putting our Cowles stuff in our podcast room so we could get it set up for our thumbnail picture for you guys to see, which hopefully you'll be like, what the heck's this thumbnail about? Anyway, I forgot to mention that Cowles products are also available at O'Reilly's, which is kind of funny that I forgot O'Reilly's, seeing as we use O'Reilly's a lot. They're guys that, for some reason, the O'Reilly's around us, I really like the people. They're good people. Their drivers are great. The employees are great. Mike's great. Everybody over there is great, and we enjoy dealing with them, and I apologize for leaving them out of that segment. And then also, I wanted to mention, I know we did a post on it, but we also have our goodie bags, which I'll show you in a second. So every person that's on our podcast is going to get a goodie bag. And ironically, this idea came from one of our first podcasts because I felt like an idiot. We had Steve from Toratech come on. He brought us a goodie bag. And I'm like, how is the guest bringing the goodie bag when we should be giving him goodie bags? Because we appreciate them, anybody who's coming on. So if there's any companies or brands or anything New England based that wants to give products or donations, I mean, you don't even have to be New England based. You could be a detailing company or whatever, and give us products to give to the bag, to put in the bags to give to the people. We'd appreciate that. Right now, we're going to be doing a lot of stuff New England based, just because I love New England. So we also have like Lyman Orchards right down the street. So we're going to grab some stuff from that and give people. Well, it's kind of funny because for me, if you're not from around here, getting that stuff would be great, but probably giving it to people from around here is going to be like not that great, because your minds will be like, I get this stuff everywhere I go. I see all this stuff. We are in New England, and I love the seasons in New England. I've said it before: winter, summer, spring, and fall. I mean, summer's like really short here. Spring should be longer, and fall should be longer, because they are the most beautiful, incredible seasons around here. Winter, I'm not a huge fan anymore. I used to love it when I was younger, and you go snowboarding, because we have like Powder Ridge ski areas right around the corner here, and we have a lot of cool places that you could go to. So if you enjoy that, that's great. But I don't know, spring and fall to me are just amazing. I love them, and we're going to kind of right now give away some products of the season. So let's see how it goes. You can just email us, customize@atomicautoworks.com, and we will respond to you. And again, we really appreciate any help. So now let's get on to talking about Cowles products. So I want to go through and show you some of the cool things you could do with Cowles products. I'm going to show you some of the products they have. And if you follow some of our videos, you're going to see we're going to be doing some really cool videos over the next few weeks and months. And you're going to see us integrating some of the Cowles products into some cool things. Like, people don't think about integrating it into your interior, or we actually have some really cool things for fabrication that we want to use the Cowles products, and that's a little more crazier than you're probably seeing. And then we're also going to show you the stuff that you guys at home who could easily do, like just, putting on the body side molding to protect your vehicle, or to personalize your vehicle and make it look just a little bit better, or even like simple things like the door edge molding. A lot of people, these parking lots are so tight now. When you go to open your doors, you get a chip, and what you don't realize is that little chip you get in your edge of your door could actually turn into rust, because it breaks through, moisture gets underneath it, then the edge of your door is going to start rusting, and then your pretty new car is going to very quickly not look so pretty. Whereas if you just went through and put some of the door edge molding, and you don't have to use the flashy stuff, if you're more conservative and you just want to protect your vehicle, they have some really nice non-contrasting edge trim that you could put on that kind of is just hidden. It's there, it's protecting you. Or if you want to get a little crazy, you could always put some more molding in there that's like chrome or something different and really spice it up. You don't have to do before we get going is Ben from Countryside Customs had asked me to send him some pictures of the progress we're doing on the Mustang. So one of the most challenging things we have to do is our mock-up. And we are doing these old school. We're doing cardboard templates, and then we transform it into wood so you could actually get to see what it is. There's a lot of things that you have to do. Like, we'll start off with cardboard, make a mock-up, and then we'll put our bottom panels in and work our way up, because as you get going, you'll see like the tolerances, the thickness of the woods and all that stuff changes. And then from there, once we get this down, obviously this isn't set in yet. We still have to put the magnets in so everything snaps in, and we're doing some, trick different things on here. Once that's all in, we're actually going to go through and make it look really cool with our, subtle foams and vinyl or leathers and different things. You can see here, this is a different vehicle. He put the AC unit in the back, so we have some crazy stuff we have to do. Ben wanted it to look like a flat, the hidden floor, like the trunk delete type thing. So we're going to kind of do that. But it's actually very challenging, because we've come up with a few mock-ups. We had to seriously modify the inner quarter panels, because the rear tubs were widened, so we had to fit those in there. We had to modify the fiberglass headliner that came from TMI, peel all their stuff off of it, because it was bubbling and falling down. But we're doing suede anyway, so it didn't matter to us. We peeled it off. We're trimming it, making it look good. You can see here, you have to go through and trim all these edges, fit it really nice. And then you can see we're getting ready to mock up. Well, we already mocked up the center console, but we already made some changes to it. We're going to have the head unit up front in front of the shifter, and then it's going to come down. You'll have an armrest in there with USB ports and all that fun stuff. And then this is the challenge. How do you make this look good and functional? What you can see here is I'm going through and I'm organizing all of our Cowles products. We're taking the duplicates that we need 2 of, because some of these things are only 8 feet long. So we need 2 of them for 16 feet. And then you can see all of them lined up here. And we're going to go through, and you're going to see us be making some really cool videos. So I'm super excited that we're doing this for Cowles Products, and we're going to be using their products a lot on some different stuff to show you fun things you could do. And the reason we're doing this is because the industry has been changing. I'm not here to say we need to go back, and we know things are changing. I don't feel it's changing for the right reasons, and I think we need to step forward, and in order to preserve or encourage growth in our industry where people are home customizing their cars and loving their cars and passionate about it, and not being like, you know, we're kind of taught that you have your car for 6 years and you buy a new one, or 2 or 3 years and you release a new one. And it's like we're in this like, get a new junk just to get a new junk, just to get a new junk. So we look just like everybody else driving down the street with the same junks. And I say junks wholeheartedly because the new vehicles are junks. I mean, they just are what they are. They're made to last a very little bit of time, fall apart, so you have to buy a new one. The only thing that they're really advancing on these things is electronics. Some of the performance stuff is a little better, but it's really not. We're at a really stagnant point in the market. And I'd like to bring back personalizing the cars you have, keeping them, making them look better, caring about what you have. And so Cowles Products, I think, is going to help us do that, because we're going to have some fun doing that. And then also, what we've noticed strongly in the industry is years ago, sales reps used to come to us and say, hey, use this product, it's better. It'll make you look better. It's easier to use. It has these benefits. It might cost a little more money, but it's better. The whole industry has changed to the point where salespeople's only sales approach is to walk in the door and drop their pants. Just cheap, 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 because that's what big body shops want. Big garages want. They want cheaper parts, cheaper materials so that they can get these cars out cheaper. It's a cheap, 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 cheap. Insane. And the problem is, it's not cheap. We're spending $40, $50, $80, $150,000, $200,000 on vehicles that are junk. They need to get better and be better. We need to get better and be better, and that's what we're here to do. The number one problem that we're having is it's hard for us as consumers or even businesses to hear, something just fell over in the shop. It's hard for us to learn about new products because they're really not out there. Our sales reps aren't really pushing them. They're scared too, because every time they walk in the door, nobody cares about quality. We do. And we want you to. We want you to see it. We also want to hook you up with companies and brands that are like-minded like us, that care, that want to give you good value for your money. That's what we're here for. So let's help these businesses by showcasing them. We're going to show you what they are. Any companies that want to work with us, that want to express their brand and get their brand out there so people see it, please just hit us up, because we'd love to showcase your products and let people see why there's a difference, what's better, why they'd want it on their car. We want people to want to keep their vehicles for a long time. You know, motorcycles are a little different. A lot of our customers buy a motorcycle, they take care of it, they keep it for a long time. They're always personalizing it, they're always accessorizing it, and that's kind of great. I mean, we do have a lot of the guys who will buy the newer model motorcycles, and you know, because they want some of the advancement and some of the features that they're doing. Some of the features we don't like, some of the features we do. Some of the companies like BMW, when there's a problem, they correct it really quick. And we want to show you all that too on the motorcycle world. But when it comes to the car and truck world, the advancements aren't that great. We're spending a lot of money. Trucks, a lot of people personalize more, which is great. And we want to show you more things that are personalized on your truck. But guess what? Cars are no different. So please help us work together to help grow this community. Thank you.